right, let's talk about ThredUp. There's changes. The tea's piping. Things just changed, as far as I know, or they are changing very, very soon. So let's talk about it. Okay, so here's the deal. ThredUp partner kits are changing this year, and this is starting on October 15th. So I'm gonna share some information, like a little hack, if you will, that you can do before the 15th, as long as you send your stuff in before the 15th of October. So I just learned this kind of hack where you send your items in and you get paid in, like for me, I did Athleta credit, but they have Athleta, Reformation, Gap, Banana Republic. They've got a lot of different brands. And so basically you send your items in, they purchase them from you up front, and they also process these items really quickly, and you get your payout. So for me, I just did this, like I literally yesterday got my payout, and I was like, yes, this is amazing. I'm gonna like do this all the time. I'm gonna share this with people. I was about to film this video about how to do this. And then I get an email from ThredUp, and it's like, hey, like things are changing. So yeah, like everything literally just changed. And I feel like that's how life is sometimes. You learn something, you're like, oh, I can master this. And then it's like, just kidding. So basically the way that they've been doing it, I mentioned they pay you up front for your items. And that is changing to anything that sells that you send in within 30 days. That at that point, if your items sell within 30 days, then you get credit to wherever on their website you've chosen. So that's a bummer. That's a real bummer. I don't know if I'm going to be doing the partner kit. Knowing that now, I might look into how their consignment works, and I might not go with ThredUp at all, honestly. My plan though is to do as much as I can and like send all these items in that I had planned to right before October 15th. And if you're doing this, you have to make sure you label, like your shipping label is marked, I think it's either, October 15th or before. I'm probably gonna do it the day before just to be safe. And then I think I wanna try to do Reformation credit because I think that'll do well for me as a reseller. So such a bummer. Such a bummer about this. I do have some notes just on like details about ThredUp if you're interested in getting on this really quickly, or if you're interested in ThredUp as an option after this too. And I just want to mention this video is not sponsored by ThredUp, and we're not affiliated with ThredUp in any way. Just want to mention that. But yeah, as far as what has happened, or they're renaming their partner kits to Resale-as-a-Service, and now they just are going to consignment. One thing that is nice about doing the partner kits, as far as I understand this will be the same moving forward, correct me if I'm wrong, but they cut the processing time so much. Like you get a free 3-week processing, which you have to pay $16 for if you're just sending things in. Because I consigned with ThredUp a year ago, and it took me a year to like get $10. But this time around, I did more research. There's a tool where you can, on their website, you can calculate how much your payout will be if you send your items in. So this time around, I did it right, and I researched items that weren't moving for me or that I picked up directly to sell and send directly to ThredUp. And so this time around, I got like $400 in Athleta credit, which is great. Athleta, at least right now, they're doing a 15% bonus. So what you send in, they'll have credit, and then they bump that up 15%. So I got $50 extra because of doing Athleta. So I'll go into the items that I sent in and brands that you can be on the lookout to maybe send to ThredUp if they don't perform well for you, or if you would not resell them yourself because they take too long. That's basically my thing, is I'm like, I want to see the fast money. That's what I like about this program that they had and have adjusted. Their return assistance, that's what I paid for my items that I sent in. Return assistance is $10.99. So you can keep that in mind. If you just want to see these items gone, then it doesn't even matter. But for me, I'm like, I can find, if you don't accept like these items, I can find a way to make money on them. These clean out kits are 30 pounds or less. So I'm just gonna go over what items they took that I sent in, and what is so fun is the cost of goods for these items was $50 basically. And so I got like over 300 for doing all this, like pretty passively. And this is something that I'm always like telling my friends about it who aren't into reselling, like friends and family. I'm like, you can do this and just get a free like shopping spree if you want to come shopping with me and you find these things, you don't have to do much. So I probably won't be recommending that anymore. Let's see, some random brands like Citron, a vintage silk skirt, they gave me $6 for. I found that at the bins and it weighed hardly anything. St. John's Sport casual pants, they gave me about $8 for. Lafayette 148 blazer, they gave me $15 for. That's a brand I find a lot that I've heard from people that it doesn't sell very well or very quickly for them. And so when I look up comps, like comparable sold listings, when I'm seeing if I want to sell it myself, I don't see it having a very good sell-through rate. And so I'm more likely to purchase it to send it in. Lauren by Ralph Lauren wool coat. I got this a while ago and it just didn't sell for me, but they gave me just under $30 for that. Eileen Fisher ankle boots, these were a size 6, which doesn't move very well for me, so they gave me just under $20 for that. HCL leather shoulder bag, they gave me $71.41 for that. So that is awesome. I tried to sell this myself and I just couldn't. Like, it wasn't very loud or gaudy, or what people were searching out for, like on my platforms. So I'm hoping they have better luck selling that. That is a designer brand purse that we found at the bins. These Fry boots, I could not sell these to save my life, and they were amazing. Found them at the bins, and they gave me just under $60 for those. Vince boots, they gave me like $44-ish. Barefoot Dreams, they gave me about $6. Victoria's Secret pink hoodie, they gave me like $3. Athleta t-shirt, they gave me about $3. Mavi jeans, $3. Adriana Goldschmied jeans, I sent 2 of those in and they gave me $7 to like $9. And I had 2 Cole Haan leather bags that they gave me about $40 for each. So those are the things that I sent in that they accepted, and those payouts. So if you have anything like that and that isn't selling for you and you're just impatient and you're like, maybe I want a shopping spree, yeah, I would recommend getting on this soon before the middle of October so that you can get a shopping spree. I mean, man, I was so astounded to get like $400, I think. Yeah, like $400 to spend at Athleta. So my plan is to see what is selling the best on Poshmark and eBay and places like that, and purchase stuff from Athleta to then sell online. So I might not get a pure profit of like $350 or whatever it was, but still, like, I'm really happy with that. And if you're looking for a shopping spree for yourself, like, do it now before it ends. This is the PSA for you. So I just wanted to let you know the changes that are happening with ThredUp. This is just information that I have on hand. Like, things could change, I'm not sure, but I just want to let you know now to get those partnership kits in now before this new structure starts. So thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about reselling, if you just like to see what sells for us or what we pick up, then you can check out more on our channel. Yeah, thank you so much for checking this out, and best of luck to you on your ThredUp, your reselling, your shopping spree, whatever it is that you're here for.